Tarek verified that the actual volume flow was bigger than the total volume flow shown in composition. So he would like to evaluate the production based on barrels day, and he was not understanding why in the liquid volume flow tab the summing up was below them or was different than the information available at the actual volume flow as barrel per day. And as you have seen in this live session, the differences are because they have different phases. The actual volume flow is based on the operating conditions, pressure and temperature, and the liquid volume flow is based on 60 Fahrenheit and 1 atm conditions. So if the process is not running at 60 Fahrenheit and 1 atm conditions, the calculation of the mass density will not be the same, the results of the mass density will not be the same, and these values will not be the same because of that.